my name is Kevin, and today we're talking about chemistry again. It's not really boring, huh? Well, today we're talking right back about the periodic table. It's really old, right? And we're talking about the actinides. So, what are the actinides? This is a group of a couple of elements, and all of these are radioactive. And all have industrial uses except for mendelevium, which I'll explain later about that element. And particularly, it has 15 elements. Well, starting with actinium, which actually names the name actinide. Sounds pretty, huh? Well, first, actinium. Well, its chemical symbol is AC and has an atomic number of 89. Its atomic mass is 227 units. Well, it appears as a tiny amount wherever uranium is present. Why? Uranium breaks down into actinium, which later will split into radon gas. Well, why are these radioactive? Because it gives other type of radiation called alpha decay, which in our video, the 6 most dangerous elements that I just talk about soon. I have been talking about. Okay, so next is thorium. Well, not the god thunder Thor, but it's just named after the god thunder. But and it's just from the Norse mythology. So thorium isn't the thing to make Thor's hammer. Okay? Thorium's chemical symbol is Th. It has an atomic number of 90. Its atomic mass is 232.038. Well, that's a type of fraction, huh? It is, inside the Earth. It is actually found inside the Earth, and the abundant amounts of thorium keep the planet warm because of its radiation. Next. Well, this one's name is a bit long, and I'll only tell it one time. 3. Protactinium. Well, its chemical symbol is Pa, and its atomic mass is 91. Its atomic number is 91. And its atomic mass is 231.036. Well, you know the word proto? It's actually a combination between the word proto and actinium. Proto means before, pre or proto So, that also means that this element means before actinium, because before uranium breaks down into actinium, it decays into protactinium first. Next, uranium. Uranium's chemical symbol is U, and its atomic number is 92. Its atomic mass is 238.029 units. It is identified to be the first that was discovered as radioactive in 1896. It can be used in making nuclear bombs and generators for electricity, or kind of like nuclear generators, like that. Okay, next, neptunium. Neptunium's chemical symbol is Np, and its atomic number is 93. Its atomic mass is 237 units. It is named after the planet Neptune. Well, it's discovered after being made inside a nuclear reactor. For example, uranium could break down into lots of types of elements, and neptunium was one of the things that it decayed into. Well, it is mainly used in scientific research and doesn't have any industrial uses. Next, plutonium. Plutonium's chemical symbol is Pu, which is Pu, and its atomic number is 94, and its atomic mass is 244 units. Well, I say I'm not rounding the number. It doesn't even have a fraction. Okay, so now, well, it is named after Pluto, a dwarf planet, and it can be created from uranium in nuclear reactors. Well, why is this dangerous? It is actually used in early nuclear bombs. For example, like the hydrogen bomb test in World War II at Nagasaki, Japan. Next, americium. Its chemical symbol is Am, and its atomic number is 95. Atomic mass 243 units. It is named after North America, and its radioactivity allows a current of electricity to flow inside a smoke detector. Well, for example, now you have a smoke detector here. It has an electric current powered by americium's radioactivity. So now it makes an electric current between two sensors. So now if smoke goes up, and now it actually blocks the electric current. After that, it triggers kind of like the bell inside the smoke detector. So you can know that there is just like smoke, too many smoke that could cause a fire there. Okay, next, number 8, berkelium. Its chemical symbol is Bk, and its atomic number is 97. Atomic mass 247. No, I don't mean wake up 247 like you think. It's not a type of drink, okay? Okay, so it is named after the town of Berkeley in USA. It is made by combining helium and americium. Well, how? Well, first, you know that it could be you when you combine it, this element must be artificial, right? Well, to make artificial atoms, they use a particle accelerator. So this means there is an engine like a round or a straight type. So now we have two atoms here, and now it whoosh, it plumbers the atoms at a great speed. So it turns now into a huge combination. Another type of atom. Ta-da! You just made a new element. Well, sounds easy, right? Not easy at all. Well, first you need to extract only one single element from one element and one single element from the other. So it's not easy. Okay, next, Einsteinium. Well, its chemical symbol is Es, and its atomic mass is 99. Its atomic number is 99. Well, its mass 252 units. Well, how is it found that this element ever existed? Well, 200 atoms are found in the debris of a hydrogen bomb test. Well, it is named after the German and American scientists Albert Einstein, just like you know. Next, this might be a familiar name that you could have heard somewhere, curium. Its chemical symbol is Cm, and its atomic number is 96. Its atomic mass is 247. No, not wake up 247, just like I told you. It is named after the scientist Marie Curie and her husband Pierre Curie. Well, rovers on Mars use curium to shine X-rays on rock samples revealing what is inside them. Well, for example, now you go on a plane. So here's your bag. You put your bag into an X-ray machine. The X-ray machine will find out if there are any kind of like dangerous things inside there. If they find out, then you need to put it back at your home. For example, like that. I don't know what the machine is, but just like that, as the rovers and Mars. Next, californium number 11. Its chemical symbol is CF and its atomic number is 98. Its atomic mass is 251 units. It is named after the US state California, and it is used for making very heavy elements, like the heaviest element ever, organoson. Well, it has 118 protons. Could you even believe that? That's really, really, really heavy. Well, it is really expensive due to its rarity, and it is very hard to be made artificially using kind of like a particle accelerator too. Next, fermium. Its chemical symbol is Fm and its atomic number is 100. Its atomic mass is 257. So now you don't have to tell anything about the coffee on 247, okay? Next, it is named after the scientist Enrico Fermi. Well, you have the word Fermi, and you just put the letters U and M. See, now you get fermium. Next, well, it is found with Einsteinium in the American 1952 hydrogen bomb test, which I have been mentioning. Well, next one is mendelevium. Well, its chemical symbol is Md and its atomic number is 101. Atomic mass 258 units. Well, it's named after the creator of the periodic table, Dmitri Ivanovich Mendeleev. It has no commercial uses. Well, you know. And it's a combination of bismuth and argon. So you remember that at first I told you that all these elements have commercial uses except for mendelevium. And now you know why. Next, 14, nobelium. Its chemical symbol is NO and its atomic number is 102. Its atomic mass is 259 units. It is named after the inventor of dynamite, Alfred Nobel. It is a combination of curium and carbon. Well, when they use a particle accelerator, I mean. And finally, the final element of the actinide group, 15, lawrencium, Lr. And its atomic number 103, atomic mass 262 units. It is named after the US physicist Ernest Lawrence, which sounds a bit like Ernest Rutherford. Well, how about Ernest Lawrence? That is the inventor of the cyclotron, a type of particle accelerator. Well, I didn't know what shape it is, but I just read it in the books. Well, and finally, only a few atoms of this element have been made, and that's how they discovered them. So after all the actinides, why they are radioactive and what uses they have, do you think this video is kind of like creative and interesting? If you think it is, then please like and subscribe for us And please hit the bell so you won't miss any new videos in our channel. And I think now it's time to say goodbye. See